Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 16-piece artificial flower set. Now, I've put them up in a couple different ways just to show you what they look like because super easy to do, and because they're artificial, it is no maintenance. They come packaged just like this, so it's going to be a little bit condensed down when you get it, but clearly they fluff right out. And there's 16 different bundles that are about 14 inches high, and all of them move. I mean, all the wires are super flexible. All the little flowers can just come off. The little leaves can come off. Like if you say this is just too much for an area, you could just take one off and move it. You can lay it, lay it out for decoration, I guess, if you really want to. But these are really nice. And with how many there are, you can actually put these outside like in a little planter box. So that way, you have that outside look that you have flowers without having to care for them. Nice realistic leaves. I love how they can just be outside and how much fluff these really give. If you had a big planter box, that would look beautiful, and they come in a variety of different colors, so you can mix and match or stick with one color.